15th one, write a Python program to create a dictionary from a string. Okay, from a given string, we have to convert the string into dictionary. Here, simple. Here, take the input here. Example, artificial intelligence. I want to convert this string into dictionary. Here keys become each letter of this string, and values become the repetition of each letter. Means how many letters are repeated in the string. Okay, so A repeated two times. Things are repeated one time. Okay, I repeated five times like that. We have to find like that one from each string. Okay, so we can do with simple. Just take this x equal artificial intelligence string here, print x, and take empty dictionary. Okay, we want to go through this each word of this string. How you go? Just use for loop here for letter in X. Okay, so that you can go each letter through this string. Okay, for letter in X. So you know how to add an element to this dictionary. How to add an element to the dictionary? D letter here. Okay, so that each letter becomes key here. Okay, and I want to add value to that key. How to add the value to that key? Just use get method here. Okay, or to get the value of each string, each word. Get first parameter is a letter, comma 0 plus 1. So what it is means, so the letter first, what this method means, the letter in the dictionary, if it's not found, it returns 0. Okay, it checks the Python checks the letter in the dictionary. If it is not found, it returns 0. If it's present, the letter value will be added by 1. Okay, if it is present, value will be added by 1. If it is not present, it returns 0. So that returns get method returns the numbers. Okay, so and just print d. Okay, simple print d. Execute it now. Simple. Okay, to get the values of to get the value how many string how many letters are there in a given string, so you can use this get method here. Okay, get method takes each letter from the string and just count it. Okay, just it will count repetition of the string, first repeating the words in a string. Okay, if it is not found, it returns 0, or if it is found, it returns 1, and it will be added by 1. If it's second, it will add by another 1. Okay,